Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of each Samsung Galaxy S24 device and compare it with my hands. And to do this, here we have Samsung S24, this one is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and this one is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, I brought this card that is the same size as any credit or debit card just to help you see the size of my hands and compare it with yours. And we're gonna pick up each of the phone and compare it with my hand. Now let's try it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.